Well, hello there, everyone. Welcome to DIY Design by CCW. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day. Today, guys, I am participating in a very important collaboration challenge. This is going to be a yearly challenge, and what it is, it's the uh, Go Red for Heart Health Awareness Month 2020 Tablescape Challenge. This was an open invite, and I really want to thank the ladies that put this together. The host is Elaborate Designs by Leasha. The co-hosts are Fabulous Designs on a Budget, Therapeutic Design by Debra, Jazigreen Decor Style, Creatively MsMe with Stephanie, Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis, and All Things Luxe by Robin. So again, please go and visit all of these ladies' channels. They all do fantastic work, and there will be links in the description box so that you can easily find their channels as well as all of the participants in this very important Tablescape challenge. Again, use the hashtag, excuse me, Go for Red Heart Health Tablescape 2020. Now, some of the things that we were told to do for this is to decorate either a kitchen or dining room table. I've decorated my dining room table. Use red. At least have something red. I decided to use red as my theme color, and it was left optional as to whether we wanted to dedicate this tablescape to someone that we love. You'll see in the middle there I have a picture, and I'll get a little closer. That picture is my father. That's a picture of my father. I lost my father last year, in January of last year, to heart disease. So I dedicate this to him and to his memory. Daddy, I miss you very much. And I just want to say to everybody, please go. Please go and get your numbers checked. Limit your stress. Limit, make sure that you're eating heart healthy, a heart healthy diet, get some exercise. Go see your doctor. Know where your cholesterol is. Check your blood pressure regularly. Those are all the things that you can do. And also, most important, if you're a diabetic, make sure that you're monitoring what you eat and that you're checking and doing everything that the doctor tells you, because many diabetics also suffer from heart disease. That was the situation with my father. And again, I just want to say we want to keep everybody healthy and keep you here as long as we can so that you can be there for your family and for your loved ones. So today, guys, I'll just go into a lot of this that's on my table you've seen before. I didn't go out and purchase anything new for this. It was really more important to me to participate, just to get the word out, and because again, this is something that's so close to my heart. So what I did is I used some cylinder vases that I already had. I used some stemware that you've probably seen in another video. It's Waterford Crystal, and I got it, really at a very low price at Home Goods, one of my favorite stores. And what I did for my place settings, again, I went really basic. White satin napkins, red table rings. I've got red chargers and red placemats. And on top, to break that up a little bit, I have a clear plate and a glass saucer. And I got those plates at Walmart. Very basic silverware that I got from Walmart. And just to add a little interest to the table, I have some red beading. And okay, yes, I've got rose petals on the table. I just can't help it. I love the way they look. And these are some candlesticks, candle holders that you've seen before. And yes, guys, I'm doing what I don't normally do. I am burning real candles. Usually I use those battery powered, no flame candles. But for this, I wanted to have the look of real candles. And I've got a cake stand underneath my centerpieces, or my cylinder vases that you've probably seen before. And just some red tulle and fabric. And that's really it. The chairs, I have some pillows that I've brought in from other places in the house. I used to have red as my theme color, so trust me, I could have had a lot more red on this table, but I wanted this to be more of an understated look. Again, with the focus on heart health, and because it's so important. You know, in our communities, you know, we see a lot of folks with blood pressure that's undiagnosed. And again, like I said, diabetes, which is a silent killer. A lot of people don't know they have it. So get your test, guys. Go to your doctor, find out, know your numbers, know what you need to do. If you need to get your weight down, get your weight down. Do all of those things. Now, another thing that we were told is that we were supposed to wear something red. You guys know I don't usually appear on camera, but I do have on my red polish, and I am all decked out in my red pantsuit. So even though you don't really see me, just know I am wearing red in this Go for the Red challenge. So again, I want to give another shout out to the host and the hostess. And the host is Elaborate Designs by Leasha. I sure hope I'm saying that right. If I'm not, please let me know. The co-host, again, are Fabulous Designs on a Budget. Therapeutic Design by Debra. Jazigreen Decor Style. Creatively MsMe with Stephanie. Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. And All Things Luxe by Robin. Again, if you're not subscribing to their channels, I'm telling you guys, you are missing a lot. Please make sure that you do that. If you're not a member of this family, I really hope that you'll consider doing that and joining the channel, and make sure that you subscribe and hit that notifications button so that you're updated every time new content is uploaded. So again, that's all I had for today. And I want to tell everybody, have a fantastic, fantastic day. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.